We have a really powerful tip in this video, and if you thought that comparing lists in Excel was only the domain of using complex VLOOKUPs and index and match formulas, then guess again. We're going to use a simple conditional formatting rule to test where we have any matches between two versions of product codes. But I'm sure you can imagine you could use this in testing new versions of just about anything. So here we've got version 1, and if we count how many items we have here, we've got 25. In the second version we have 31. So there are 6 additional items. But unfortunately it's not as easy as just saying the last 6 are all of those new items, because if we were to look here, this is ordered in a completely different way. So we can't simply do that. If you didn't know how to use conditional formatting or any of the VLOOKUPs, you would have to start with these items and manually search through the different lists and say, okay, I can't find BRQ, therefore that must be a unique item. Look for CLD, and there I find CLD, so I know that that is common to both, and so on. You can imagine you'd have to go through 31 items. That would take you a long time. I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting to do this in literally 15 seconds. I'm going to make a selection of all of these items, holding down the control key so that I can add these two areas as one selection. Now I'm going to move to the Home tab and across to Conditional Formatting. I'm going to move to Highlight Cell Rules and then down to Duplicate Values. And don't get a fright when you think duplicate values, because we are actually looking for unique items, because there is this drop down arrow that you can simply change and select unique, and you can even choose the specific format that you like. I'm going to go for a green fill and hit OK, and there we go. Like I said, 15 seconds and you've got highlighted those 6 items that are unique to version 2 and therefore don't appear in version 1. If you wanted to make a quick subset of this, you could right click on any of those cells, move down to filter and choose filter by selected cells color. And as I click that, we could copy and paste this information anywhere, and Excel is smart enough to only paste those items which were visible. So that was a really quick tip on how to use conditional formatting to actually compare two lists. Gives you that nice visual indication of any items which are unique to the second list. We use conditional formattings and the duplicate value rule, but change duplicate to unique. I hope you get to use that in the future, and it saves you a lot of time. We'll see you in the next video.